Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can hide jump cuts in DaVinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. So for example, let me say I'm going to be using this video and I want to jump from here, and I'll just snip it there all the way to here. I'm going to snip it there as well, and I'm going to delete this middle portion. Now, if I play them in succession, as you can see, it'll just jump cut over there. However, that's a bit too obvious, and let's say we want to minimize that. For that, we need to go into the Edit tab, click on Effects, and go into Video Transitions and pick a transition from here. You have the Blur Dissolve, you have the Smooth Cut, you have the Non-Additive Dissolve, Dip to Color Dissolve. You can use whatever you want. However, let me just demonstrate how to do this with a Blur Dissolve. Just position it over the middle, as you can see here, and now you can, as you can see, hide the jump cut like that. Now, it's still not perfect, but it does do the job quite well. You can edit it and play around with the transitions however you want. Let me just show you what a cross dissolve looks like. It looks something like this. As you can see, it sort of hides the jump cut, so it isn't as obvious. You also have the smooth cut, which is also a good way. As you can see, it looks sort of like that, and that's pretty much what you can use. You can use whichever transition you want from here, and that's going to hide that jump cut really well depending on the transition that you choose. And you can also go into the inspector, change the duration, change the type, change whatever you want, and you can adjust it to your own wishes. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.